Hi everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. This will be a C2C tutorial. The C2C is a new stitch that everybody has been going crazy about, and it's because it builds up so quick and it's really fun to do. For this one, I'm using a 5.0 millimeter hook with some leftover yarn. This is worth the wait from my yarn stash. And we're gonna go ahead and do the starting knot, and you're going to chain 5. So after your 5th chain, you're gonna go ahead and yarn over and do a half double crochet on the 3rd chain from your hook. Do another one and one more. So you're gonna do 3 half double crochet on each one of the 3 stitches left from your chain. From there, you're going to chain 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. 5. And you are going to do the same thing. Yarn over and do a half double crochet on the 3rd. And do 3 half double crochets on the remaining previous chains. Now you're going to insert this. So this is the first one that we made. You're going to insert your hook on this loop right here. That will be the initial chain from the first one. So you're going to insert it right there. You're going to pull and do a slip stitch, and you're going to chain 2 right there, because now you're going to do 3 more half double crochet inside that loop. 1, 2, 3. So if you see, the first chains that you do counts as your first half double crochet, and then you do 3 more. And now, as you can see, you have this one, and it's forming kind of like a triangle here. So this is basically going to build up from here up and to the side. So you're going to keep on doing the same thing, and you're going to see how it builds up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, insert on 3rd, stitch, half double crochet, yarn over and do a half double crochet, yarn over and do your last half double crochet, and then insert. You're going to turn your work like this, and you're going to insert it on this loop from the first from the previous 4 half double crochets that you worked on. So now it's inserted. I do a slip stitch, I do 2 more chains, and I'm going to do my 3 half double crochets right here. 2, and that's 3. And insert again on this loop right here. There we go. And then you are going to pull and do a slip stitch, and again 2 chains and 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So see, it will build up here and then to the right this way. From here is basically really repetitive. but I'm going to show you when to stop or how to stop, so you can make it into whatever you want. So I'm just repeating the same process. Because this is the addition. And insert slip stitch, 2 chains. Let me pull up some yarn. Okay. Here I am doing my 3rd row. Because fourth. Because rows will be diagonal when you're doing C2C. Two and 3. So let's say I want to stop here and I don't want to make it thicker. So I'll just, I won't do my 5 chains. Instead of my 5 chains, I'm just going to do a slip stitch right here. And I'm going, see how I slip stitch? That means I won't be adding more rows over here. I'll just be adding up here, and you'll see how. 1, 2, 3. Oops. So you will be doing the 5 chains on the side that you want to keep adding to. Like over here. So you will add 5 more chains over here. That means you will be making it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will be making it longer vertically, but horizontally you just stop right here because you want to make it this big. Okay, so every time you reach down this side, you will, instead of your 5 chains, you will just do your slip stitch through the last square that you did, and that way it will be straight. Same thing you will do when you want to close it as a square or whatever you're making. If you're making a blanket and you decided that that was long enough for you, you're just gonna, instead of the 5 chains right here, you're just going to slip stitch right through this and keep on doing your regular C2C stitches, and you will see that it will become, since you're closing on both ends, it will become a square or a rectangle. So let's say I don't want to add to this. I will do the same thing as I did on my last end. I slip stitch through this, I chain 2, and now I'm going to add my 3 half double crochet. And you can make it, you can do C2C with double crochets or any kind of stitch. I just like half double crochet because I think it's the perfect one because it's not like too loose, and for a blanket or a scarf, it's tight enough. So as you see, I'm heading to my other end, and you will start to see how it closes. See? And becomes a square. So slip stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch, and do 2 half double crochet. So with C2C, you're always turning your work every time you reach an end, especially at the beginning, as you saw, because you only have 1, 2 squares. So right now I only had to do 1 square for that one, and I will close it on my last row like this. See? And there I do my slip stitch. I can basically cut and fasten off right there, and you see how the stitch works up real quick. I hope you understood how to close it and how to add to one side and close the other. If you have any questions, please just comment on the comment box below. I hope this helped you, that you understand what C2C stitch is all about. If you get to make fun projects using your C2C stitch, please message me, email me. I would love to see your creations. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe on the red button below so you can stay updated with the latest tutorials and videos from my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.